Hello everyone. Feeling good and ready? It's time to rev your innovation engines even more because today we'll explore a lot of different topics. Ever imagine your favorite singer as a digital avatar and yourself attending his virtual concert? And will we share a desk with virtual aliens one day? I am sure you are as curious as I am on how can we be part of building a more connected future. Please welcome the General Manager of NVIDIA AI Technology Center, Mr. Samuel Lowe. So Samuel, can you share with us a personal story on how you were even led in to pursue a career in INT?
Yeah, okay, I start my career as an IT technician in a CAD/CAM software company 25 years plus ago, I believe. Then worked as a system engineer in a hardware multinational company. After 10 years in the technical and engineering role, I moved to a sales and business development for Hong Kong, and then moved to Asia Pacific region, next to headquarters in Silicon Valley, with those MNCs like SGI, Sun Microsystems, and Oracle. And recently, I run the NVIDIA Enterprise and AI Tech Center for Hong Kong and Macau.
When you first began and the first few times you were out of your comfort zone, were you scared? Were you, worried? Or did you feel confident that, okay, I will somehow figure it out? What was going through your head?
In fact, you're right. Okay, everyone always like to stay at their comfort zone, right? I think, yeah, it's very, very common. And when, after years and years working in different company and pursue different career, you learn a lot. You learn your communication skill. You learn how to, break through some new challenges. Okay, I think throughout those experience that helped me to, always find some new way. Okay, to break through, as I said, when I first asked to form the NVIDIA Tech Center in Hong Kong. In fact, nobody know NVIDIA have a lot of this kind of new technology and course material supporting the ecosystem. When I meet with the professor, they just know NVIDIA is a graphics card. Playing for building games, right? Visualization, but they don't know. In fact, NVIDIA has a lot, software stack, helping them on the research in AI, machine learning, robotics, and those kind of area. In fact, those are the new things they would like to know, and that is also why NVIDIA want to build the tech center in Hong Kong, supporting the community, supporting the talent development, also driving the same from the government perspective.
I mean, you're absolutely right. Honestly, even myself, NVIDIA to me was always graphics cards. I'm a gamer, so I have an NVIDIA card and I'm trying to squeeze extra frame rates to play my game smoother. And, when I learned about you, I was like, wait, what? There's a lot more of this. But would you say that is what the future is all about?
In fact, like you said, NVIDIA start our business as a GPU, graphics processing unit for the gamer as well as the visualization. But our CEO always like new challenges, finding new area that can leverage NVIDIA's technology. That's why we enter into the AI, machine learning, IoT, autonomous driving. Those are the new area that NVIDIA never been present there. But in fact, that's also driving the business and also the industry revolution. That as you can see today, or a few years ago, nobody know AI, machine learning, deep learning, those kind of technology. But today, those are the driving force to the new economy, right? And we look forward, But nowadays people always talk about Metaverse, right? These keywords, right? And how this Metaverse can change the lifespan as well as the industry revolution. That in fact is our new topic, and we also have some new technology helping the enterprise researchers and developer moving forward to this new normal.
I mean, that's exactly the hot topic at the moment. I mean, in this new normal, people have to know about the metaverse, or they have to consider this as maybe being part of their lives in the future. What would you tell a young person who is beginning and looking in this field and thinking, I don't know, this is too much, I just want something simple? Would you encourage them to not worry, or would you say that, oh, that mindset is wrong? What would you tell them to do?
Yeah, in fact, you're right. Okay, when young talent always face some new stuff, they always, have. Of course, some of them are curious and like to learn more. I think that is a very good attitude. And for those, what I would encourage our young talents to study a lot of these new technologies, like I just mentioned, right? AI, machine learning, deep learning, IoT, robotics, 5G. Those are the new technology we believe in the coming 5-10 years, the economy will definitely need this kind of talent skills, to drive the business transformation, as well as we just talked about the metaverse as well.
But what about the human element? Would you say there are certain factors that we should not forget in the future, even if we go into this field? For example, the human element of always being curious, or even maybe, taking moments to enjoy small things. Is there anything in yourself as well? You're surrounded by technology all the time. Do you take moments and say, you know what, there's certain things in life I want to keep simple? And would you encourage a lot of youngsters not to forget that as well?
In fact, when I formed the team in Hong Kong, when I have new members join the team, I always ask them, first, you have to find your position in the company, the position that you can contribute, you can show your value to the company and your team, right? I think that is always important, because NVIDIA is a kind of, we call our a team always called NVIDIANs. NVIDIAN is the name, the keyword we call all the our teammates across the world, right? And what we believe is work as a team. But on the other hand, you also have to show your ability, your talent, your communication, and your how to work independently and effectively. And in fact, that is also my management style, to enable the team to create the environment and the condition that to have the team members themselves to work effectively and efficiently. I think that is one thing I would share with the young generation.
But what is the mindset you would encourage them to have? Would you say that the mindset should be, just ready for any challenge? Or would you say the mindset is like learn before you walk? What's that one mindset, that little technique and tip you would encourage them to have?
Yeah, this is a very good question. In fact, in most of my interview with those potential candidates, I'm not asking, what's your the technical background, your know-how, your skills. What I'm interested is, do they have the passion? Do they have, the right attitude? Are they willing to learn and learn fast? And take up new challenges? Those are the key factors and elements, I will say, to the young generation or young talent that they should think about and equip themselves before they face, find their career and challenges looking forward.
Fair enough. I think at the end of the day, it's like skills is one thing, but also your mindset and the passion. It will drive the way you work in any organization, especially something like NVIDIA as well. Well, thank you so much, Samuel. Technology is making things we could only dream of more and more real. So why not make that dream of yours a reality? Go check out our virtual career platform and hunt for your dream job. And again, we'll be back tomorrow with more interesting stuff for you. I'll see you then.